Anybody know the words better than I do? Come on,
I don't know the words.
Who knows the words better than I do? I don't know it. I just want to make them up.
I don't know the words.
Well, sweet wheels keep on turning, and if you don't know the words to any song that confronts you, you do what business would have done, and you make it up now. Sweet home down in Goshen, where the Love River flows blue. Yes, it is. Sweet home down here in Goshen, 'cause we're coming back to you. Cheers now, hell. Well, some you remember, friends that come and they will go, but some of the friends that you always remember, they are now part of your soul. You'll never forget now.
Sweet home Goshen,
In the old song,
where the love river flows blue. Sweet home down here in Goshen.
you know we're coming back to you again and again, again and again. Late night might be quite afraid of what you might think. In the daytime, those memories seem to stay. What the best thing that you got is the joy that you have seen. Your friends are showing it to you, so try to not be so mean now.
Sweet home
Down in
Goshen.
Goshen, where the Love River flows blue. Sweet home down here in Goshen. You know we're coming back to you. We'll come back to you. Ain't gonna wait, we're coming back to you. Ain't gonna wait. We ain't done yet.
Everybody give it up for Don. He's gotta go. He's getting married. Congratulations, man. All right. And he's gotta go, guys.